Hi everyone! Welcome back to my video. It's the girl in town, Rufa. And it's been a while since I made my last video and I'm not so sure when was the last time. Basta I stopped making videos. Feeling content creator. I used to make videos or vlogs. Pero kasi basta, nag-shift ang life and life happens. So, yeah. It's not that I wanted to stop, pero basta, yun. So, most people na nakakakilala sa akin may know that I'm going to be a mom, and yeah, it's not a surprise because I've shared it in social media and I'm not so secretive about my life naman. So yeah, I'm going to be a mom. Kabira rin.
Last mo sa YouTube. Wala ka pa itong joke.
Yeah, if my friends can watch this video, Reese Allenburn, I shared a post before. Yung content niya parang yung walang balak mag-anak, ganyan-ganyan. Basta parang I'm not into family, or family is not appealing to me, ganyan. Yun, tapos here I am, I'm going to be a mom. Pero yeah, life happens and change is the only inevitable in this world. Ayun. Pero ang point kasi ng video to, hindi ko din alam. Hindi ko alam. Na-miss ko lang gumawa ng video.
Sira ulo.
Diba?
Hindi mo lang
Basta, na-miss ko lang magsalita-salita sa video or mag-vlog. Basta, I'm going to be a mom. I'm so excited about it. Kasi, one of the reasons why I'm so excited to be a mom, kasi the way how I was raised. Yon! Oh my gosh. Yon. Parang I'm going to share with you guys my mom's or my parents' parenting style na I want to practice in the future, and I don't want to practice in the future. Grabe yung eye bags ko, no? Natutulog naman ako. Nasigaan na lang ako, maghapon nakahiga. Tutulog naman ako 9 to 10 hours. My gosh, my eye bags is not giving. But anyway, stay tuned because I will just pause and gather my thoughts, okay? Huh? Come on, huh? I just realized I just said change is the only inevitable in this world. My pregnancy brain is not giving as well. Ang ibig ko palang sabihin doon, change is the only constant in this world. Yun pala yun. Anyway, but yeah, I'm going to be a mom, and this is the most precious gift that God has given me, so I consider it really a blessing. It's June 2024 and nakalahati na natin ang taon. Congratulations sa mga nananalo na sa life and sa mga gumagawa pa lang ng ways para maipanalo ang buhay nila. We can do it. Fighting. So yeah, and a lot of things happened to me this year. A lot of things. When I say a lot, it's really, I'm not overacting. It's really a lot. That's a lot. Yeah. Ang daming nangyari sa akin ngayong taon. You know, I lost a brother. I lost the love of my life. My only brother. And I'm having a baby. That's a lot. I've gone through a lot. And by the grace of God, eto, still fighting. Yeah. So, I told you that I'm going to share how I was raised. Yung parenting style ng nanay ko that I want to practice when I will raise this baby. Yeah. So, una, paano ko sasabihin? I was raised by a gentle parents. Gentle mom. Well, I just wanna share real quick na my dad kasi stayed in Manila when I was younger. So, parang si mama talaga yung yung parang nakasama namin growing up. Si papa kasi, nakasama na lang talaga namin siya nung nag-pandemic tapos umuwi na siya dito sa Pampanga for good. Yon. But when I was younger, he stayed in Manila and na-destino siya sa iba-ibang lugar. Yon. Oh my gosh, parang kumpisan. Number one, bagay na naalala ko kung paano kami pinalaki ng mama ko. I'm very, 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 very blessed na hindi ako pinalaki sa sigaw. Or hindi kami pinalaki sa sigaw. Ganito kasi yun. Si papa ko kasi, he's Kapampangan. Kapampangan ni tatay ko. Kapampangan yung papa ko, si mama ko Bisaya. She's from Leyte. While my dad is here from Pampanga. And si tatay ko, hindi naman niya kami pinalaki sa sigaw. Pero kasi there are times na he would yell at me. Kahit mga simpleng bagay lang. Pero kasi, that's another video to make. Basta, I was raised by a gentle parents. Lalo na sa mama ko. Hindi kami lumaki na ang almusal ay sigaw. I'm very blessed na hindi ako naka-experience ng masigawan muna para lang gumising, mas sisigawan lang like yung mga ganong bagay. Basta, just to simply say, si mama ko, she's very gentle. She was very gentle when I was younger up until now. Sobrang great job ni mama ko doon. Like, my parents did not let us experience the, can I say generational trauma? Kasi my dad, I believe, was raised in that way. Kasi knowing my lola. Pero, we weren't raised sa sigaw. So yeah, that's one thing na I can never forget. Growing up, hindi kami sinisigawan. Doon sinisigawan. Wait lang, ang gulo ba? Sinisigawan kami pag pinapagalitan kami. Pero, hindi kami sinisigawan ng hindi kailangan. Hindi kami lumakisigaw. My mom was very gentle. When my mom wants us to do something, she would ask us nicely. Like, hindi kami like, hindi siya ganon. Basta, I'm just very blessed and I'm so proud of my mom. That's one of the parenting style na I would like to practice when I became a mom. I would really do my best. Hindi ko pa alam ha. I can't tell yet kasi hindi ko naman alam kung anong magiging klaseng baby meron ako. Baka mamaya, mas dinosaur para sa akin, di ba? Basta, I pray, I hope and pray na I will be a gentle mom. We will be a gentle parent to Amari. Well, you know, life may turn out differently to me kasi when you're in 20s, it's up for you to decide naman eh. Kahit nga 18 eh, 'di ba? Like we have the will to choose, to decide for ourselves. So there may be judgments, or so there might be questions. So are you proud of the life you're living? Or so is that the kind of life that your parents raise you? Are you sure you want to be proud of it? But kasi when you turn 18 to 20s, or when you turn 20s, especially when you move out, nag-iiba yung life. Hindi na yung will ng parents mo yung sinusunod mo, nagkakaroon ka na ng sariling decision. So if life may turn out differently sa akin, it's on me, not on them. Yeah, so yun yung isa sa mga best parenting styles that my mom has, and by the way I was raised, that's one of the things I would like to practice when I became mom. I think this video is so long na. I would like to make a part 2 kung may manonood. Pero kung walang manonood, okay lang naman. I just really miss, making videos. And yeah, kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, mag-subscribe ka na, okay? Thank you so much for watching. Kung wala namang say-say itong video para sa'yo, okay lang naman. Basta, I get to enjoy. And I get to enjoy my time while I am having 2 weeks bed rest. Yun. Gusto ko lang mag-share. Namiss ko na. Nakakainip kasi. Nakaiga na lang ako mag-apan. Yun. Namiss ko mag-video. And yeah. Dami kong pinagsasabi. Sana pa rin ma-share ko. Basta, see you in part 2. Bye!